Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hitech Bro. I'm your starter. Let's get started. So today I've got something new for you, and this is the all new RGB LED strip. This is a budget LED strip, so don't expect much from this. So let's unbox it quickly. So these are the components which you get inside the box. This is the main RGB strip. This is the adapter, and this is like it's a 12 volt 2 amp adapter, and this is the controller, and this is the Molex adapter, I think so. Let's just quickly connect this with this. Here you get this type of camera. It's not focusing. And let's quickly, and then this will go in here. It's done. It's quite easy. So and this thing here, and there's a plug, so let's just turn it on and check what it can do. So you can also control this thing, this RGB thing, with this app. Just you need a IR blaster on your smartphone. This is common in all Redmi phones. They have IR blasters. This is the app, LED RGB remote controller. This is a remote control. So let's point it towards that receiver, and here's the remote control which is given with this, included with this RGB LED strip. This is much faster and much handy compared to the app. The app takes some time. Yeah, you have to go close towards the receiver and just tap the button on the app. It turns on RGB, red, green, blue, and you get many colors. You can choose your own favorite color, and it has also got some modes. This is the remote controller, and these are not dummy buttons, these are brightness. Like you can adjust the brightness by pressing it. You have to continuous, like you have to keep the button pressed. I'll show you. This is the brightness adjuster. As you can see, it is, yeah. See, and if I again increase the brightness is now decreased, and when I increase the brightness, I don't know that the camera can capture this thing. But again, let's do this. And this thing's quite cool. When you're going to sleep, just decrease the brightness, not like you don't need to even turn that thing off. And I'll show you how is the setup of this thing, like where to connect and all. And here's the receiver, and this is the wire, and this is the whole LED strip. And I have not taken this LED strip out from its case. There's like more 100 strips inside over here, and this can last up to 4 years, and it is quite long, more than 5 meters, I guess so. And this is my A50 charging, and this is the Molex cables. This is the adapter, and this is also the adapter. This is the controller, this is the adapter over here, connection, it is pretty easy. The connection is like pretty easy. So enjoy some cinematic shoots or B-rolls, and let's see you in the next one.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids.
So hey guys, if you like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Bye, see you in the next video.